Behind every recycled pellet is a complete manufacturing process. At HAPLAST, plastic waste is collected, recycled, and transformed within a dedicated recycling facility, where every stage is carefully managed for consistent production. The recycling journey begins with material preparation. Plastic bags of different colors and specifications are collected, sorted, and organized before entering the recycling line, helping maintain a stable and efficient production process. Operating conditions are continuously monitored as prepared materials are fed into the extrusion system, ensuring every production stage runs under controlled processing parameters. Inside the extrusion process, controlled heat melts the plastic into a smooth and uniform resin flow, creating the raw material for the next stage of recycled pellet production. The molten resin is cooled, precisely pelletized, and carefully inspected to achieve consistent size, color, and quality before being reused in new packaging production. Supported by a manufacturing capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST is ready to supply packaging materials for large-scale production worldwide. International certifications and long-term cooperation with global partners demonstrate our commitment to responsible manufacturing, reliable quality, and sustainable packaging development. Contact HAPLAST to discuss solutions for your next packaging project.